2012 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ with the newly replaced transmission. Nice white paint, aluminum alloy wheels, good tires, side step running boards, roof rack crossbars, tinted windows, rear bumper protector, tow hitch trailer package, tailgate glass opens, flex fuel to save money on gas, backup sensors, plenty of room. Third row comes out if you wish. Nice well kept tan leather interior, rear DVD entertainment system. Wood grain trim throughout. Bose premium sound system with subwoofer, heated and cooled front seats, memory driver seat adjustments, all weather floor mats, power adjustable foot pedals, DVD player up here as well, or you've got navigation, backup camera, free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio, hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, heated steering wheel, auto headlights, just under 165,000 miles. It's got a remote start as well, and it's got a sunroof. You might see it, so you cars.